So this was the puzzle from hell. So couple things that happened. First of all, I should have known this puzzle was cursed because several times my camera stopped working. Camera is phone in this case. And so did not actually successfully film most of this puzzle. The second thing, you can see the image in the upper right hand side. You can see that there are some distinctive parts that I've built. For example, the avocado. You can also see that there's a lot of red. You can also see that there's a lot of black. Both of these things are not fun. I am, at this point, 6 hours into puzzling, and I have managed kind of build the fruit bowl. I've been building it via sort of brute force of pull everything that's not red background and try to build it together. So it's a lot of testing and then putting the pieces to the side when they don't work. I was given this puzzle by a friend who gave it to me and said, my roommate and I did this over the course of a semester. It was hell. I hope you enjoy. Really, really stunning endorsement for a puzzle. So, oh yes, and there went the fourth phone death. Doing great. We're now on like hour 7.5. So now, I've managed to get the fruit together. Good. I've managed to figure out these parsley leaves. Cilantro? Parsley, I think. Leaves. Good. I'm filling in the remaining few dark colored pieces. Also good. Now here's where hell starts. Look at everything that's left. All of this must be shape sorted. I am starting to shape sort already. I have probably 200 pieces left. And you cannot see any pattern in those reds. And what's worse, or I should take that back. What's worse, you can see just enough pattern that you will feel confident that a piece goes in a certain place, only to be surprised later and realize the piece does not in fact go there. So there are some false fits going on too. I am building some, I've been able to find a few pairs of pieces. So occasionally the background pattern would be distinctive enough that I could find a couple pairs of pieces and actually put them together and bring them towards the middle. But that was not routine, unfortunately. So yeah, my strategy here was start with the avocado, which was obvious, then some of the other fruits that were obvious, orange, pepper, lime, tequila glass. Do the bowl. The bowl was also had to be shape sorted for a little bit. It was quite difficult. Then I did the tomatoes, which were also awful. Then the black bottom, because the black also all looked the same. If you see a pattern here. Then the knife, which really, because of the reflection in the tomato, also didn't go well. Then the salt shakers, and then the reddish vegetables, and then it was on to shape sorted hell. And so we are still in shape sorted hell. We are on now like hour 9 of this puzzle. And we are just continuing. We includes my cat, who is supervising, by the way, for moral support. It's always we when I do puzzles. So we are just trying and tossing and trying and tossing, and it is not really very fun. I finished this puzzle. I did not feel a sense of accomplishment. I felt a sense of, if it was more environmentally friendly, I would burn these pieces. But I did not do that. I donated it, but I did think about it. So here we are, moving on to that last little bit of the corner. Pieces are actually starting to come together now. I am so happy to be done with this puzzle. have this section in the middle and I cannot figure out how it fits in. Boom.